Good morning, welcome back to the channel. So today we are back on the stonework. Yesterday was a total washout. All we was able to do is lay a few blocks on the garage and then dress about half a pallet of the stone so it's all dressed for the cornice. Now last time we were doing the stonework a few days ago, I never got to show you, come in close, I never got to show you the finish we were doing. We just flushed it up with our thumb, but you can see how we've gone over now with a wire brush. It really brings out the arrises of the stone beautifully. So today we are going to pull this side up to this height here, and then we're going to drop onto the other big side. So we're going to get set up, we're going to throw a mix on, finish off all our insulation and taping, and then we'll catch up in a little bit. Scrape a bit of excess off and then go over it with the back of your trowel. Have you ever done that? Just to flush it all off, because then it's good for later or tomorrow to wire brush it. Nice. Cheeky, bit of steak, bit of red wine, tape there. And I was wondering why. I read on the spec, because it's tongue and groove, it sounds like your joints are pretty tight, which they are. You just got to make sure all the ends are taped and things like that. So we've just got this wall finished on the scaffold height, and right now we're about to start setting up the other big walls. I'll take you over there now with my compo and I'll show you how we're going to get on. I'll set all the trays out and start blasting. So we've got our plumb line set here. Yeah, cool. That's just pinned into my corner there, and then I've got all of my cuts, what I dressed yesterday. So they're all going to the plumb line, so you can see all my faces have been cut and stuff like that. Some quite nice ones there. I'll set up a corner first, and then Big Jake is going to pull through everything for us.
These hands of mine have got some stories to tell. Seen parts of heaven and a whole lot of hell. Headed west to stake a claim in the ground. I got as far as Cripple Creek that night.
Just got this corner set here. Some really nice colour of stone. Charlie sent his corner up as well, so we're going to start pulling this all the way through. Put all of our cavity bats on, which is a bit of a ball ache. Do the trays, which is also a ball ache, and then we will be flying.
I know, it's not like bricklaying where you can just switch off. I think there's profiles or something for this. Might be a lot quicker than just setting up. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love using the plumb bob. And I think it's like a real traditional, proper way of doing it. But at the end of the day, we're on price. Yeah. And we don't set corners up, ever, on price. We don't set corners up anyway. Oh, absolutely splendid. We got any smalls? Character. What mong put that in? Oh, well, it's character. Right, that is pretty much where we're leaving it for today. Second proper day laying stone. The tray detail, the insulation, the 150mm insulation under the radon barrier, taping everything and all the corners. What a ball ache. But staying calm and positive, we got this up to a decent height and we finished off
everything around the corner. Now, I was able to repoint, or I was able to strike off and rake out and point all of the work we did this morning. However, you can see that not only have I covered this up because I don't want to see it, but I've covered it up to make sure that the joints are still good enough for me to come back tomorrow and rake everything out with the wire brush. We've also covered it with this just so none of the stone gets too wet. Now, we are meant to be here tomorrow blasting this stone up. I say blasting, putting it up very slowly, but it's given out really bad weather, so regardless I still need to come in tomorrow and point this. Whether or not I'm actually here tomorrow laying is another story. So thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you hopefully next time when we're blasting some stone.